Hey, this is my video anyway. I do not want to start a fight. I don't want to say something. Paulo Cruzada, I am just warning you that ISIS is a terrorist group. I'm not promoting ISIS, alright? You know what really happened to David Gill and his family when I harassed them? I made the fake account of Larry Chuanico. I told to Denzel Joshua when I say before, this is all my fault that I made the fake account in Facebook. And this is my fault anyway. This is my fault. Just like I said, for me, what happened to David Gill, anyway, I bully him, I harass him, even I attack his family. This is my fault too. Oh, you want to be happen to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? You know what really happened was? I know this is your fault anyway. Just be reminded to you. Do not harass anyone. Do not harass Joseph Maspinas. Joseph Maspinas is not David Gill. You, Paulo Cruzada, you're not just like me. Oh, you're not just like everyone. If I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, I'm not similar just like you. Oh, I know this is my consequence for what I did to David Gill and his um, family members. I know I bullied them, I harassed them. I know I'm the one who curses foul languages to Jen Bravo, even Mrs. Annie Gill, even his uncle Joel Ferrer. Oh, I know this is my fault. Do you want to be really happen to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? Huh? Just like I said before, in my
Oh yeah, fix your clothes. Fix it. Nakakalo mo sa amin.
Alright. Okay. Hey, this is the Mickey Mouse t-shirt. Okay. I'll wear that tomorrow in Christmas Day to Nanay Net or Nanay Banji. So I will put it here. Even the pants. What? Yeah, wait, I'll fix up clothes. Oh. Alright. Okay, here. And I will not going to forgive you, Paulo Cruzada. Everyone we're not going to forgive you. Just like what you did, what you made about the bomb joke or bomb threat. Please, Paulo Cruzada, change yourself. Ayusin mo sa sarili mo. That's why David Gill says, me, I will always to be notorious just like you. So please, Paulo Cruzada, stop making bomb threats. If Manuel Luis Antonio and Franco Morales heard what you're saying, they will get you in trouble. At least Ronald Urbena was not there. I am reminding you, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil. Stop making promoting about terrorism. Just to know, I'm not promoting terrorism. I'm not a terrorist wannabe, Paulo Cruzada. I'm a private military contractor. I'm fighting against terrorism. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are abnormal. You're a fake autism. You are a terrorist.